Hi, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, August 13th, 2020. This is our math lesson. It's Math Module 1.03. You have a quiz today. It's on missing add-ins. Yesterday, you should have done the module practice. We're going to start. I'm going to show you how to solve this problem, and then we're going to work together. So our first equation says 3 plus blank equals 6. 3 plus blank equals 6. We know we have a missing add-in because a number after the plus sign is missing. It has already given us 3 out of the total. This is our sum or total. We already have 3 of them. So I'm going to take 3 frogs and I'm going to move them to the side so we can see how many frogs we have left. We are left with 1, 2, 3 frogs. That means 3 was our missing add-in because 3 plus 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, know that when we are finding the missing add-in, the number we put here cannot be bigger than the sum. We are not adding the 3 and the 6. No, we are finding what number added to 3 is equal to 6. That is the total. I'm going to do one more to show you. 3 plus blank equals 8. Another missing add-in. 8 is the total, so whatever number goes here cannot be bigger than 8. 3 plus blank equals 8. I know I already have 3 flies out of 8, so I'm going to remove 3 of them so that I can see how many I am left with. Let's count to see how many we're left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 was our missing number. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And how you can double check that is you can count now all of the beetles that we have here together. The ones, leave out the ones that we have to the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, boys and girls, this is the sum. I know it's coming first, but we know it's the sum because we are missing a number after our addition sign. So this is our sum. I'm going to move these back here really quick. I'm sorry. Okay, our sum is 6, and we have 6 is equal to 2 plus a number. So we know we already have 2 out of the 6 flies. So we're going to take 2 of them and move them. 1, 2. How many are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. That means 4, miscount accidentally, is our missing number, which is over here. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And how we can check that is by counting all of the flies we have left. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. We got 6. We know that's correct. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. The missing add-in cannot be bigger than the sum. Okay, boys and girls, I have 3 problems for you here. I'm going to give you a few minutes to work on this on your own. I'm going to give you 3 minutes. 2 plus blank equals 10. Remember, this answer cannot be bigger than our sum because every single problem is missing an add-in. Blank plus 5 equals 8, and 6, sum is first, is equal to blank plus 1. Go ahead, use a piece of paper and pencil, and get to work. 3 minutes, I will come back on. Okay, we're going to come back together. So our first problem said 2 plus blank equals 10. So 10 is the total amount of counters we have. We already have 2 counters, so we're going to take away 2 counters. 1, 2. Now we're going to count to see how many counters are left above the 10. That is our missing addend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to choose the hand that has 8 fingers up. Now to double check our answer to make sure it's right, we're going to make sure that 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. We're going to count the counters and the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It does. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Our second problem was blank plus 5 equals 8. 8 is our total, so we know that the number that goes here cannot be bigger than 8. We already have 5 out of our 8 counters, so we're going to take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to choose the hand that has a 3 fingers up. To make sure we are right, we're going to count our fingers and the counters to make sure we get 8, which should be our total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we do, so we know we are correct. Okay, our last problem we had here was 6 is equal to blank plus 1. Remember, our sum was given first, right here. This is our sum. So right now we have 1 out of our 6 counters. So we're going to take one of them away to see how many are left. Now we're going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 counters are left, so we're going to pick the hand that has 5 fingers up, and we're going to count the fingers and the counter to make sure we get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we do, so we know we are right. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do a little bit of problems on our own to make sure we understand. The first problem I have for us is 3 plus blank equals 5. Remember, this is our total, our sum. So whatever number is going here, it cannot be bigger than this number. We were given 3, so we know we have 3 out of our 5 counters. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 3 of them away. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to see how many counters are left. 1, 2. That means our missing addend is 2. And how we're going to check to make sure that it's right is we're going to put 2 counters above the 2 and then count the 3 counters plus the 2 counters to see if we get 5 for the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do, so we know we are correct. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to work on this problem on your own. Blank plus 6 equals 7. Remember, whatever missing number is going here cannot be bigger than 7. Okay, say the number you got out loud. Boys and girls, how we find this number again is we know we have 6 out of our 7 counters. So we're going to take away 6 of the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are left with 1. That means we will write a 1 for our missing addend and put 1 counter above it so we can check and make sure that we get 10 as our sum when we add 1 and 6 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we do, so we know we are correct. Okay, last problem. We have a 9 as our sum. Our sum is first. We're given 4. Plus blank. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds. Okay, can you say your number that you got out loud? How we do this, remember, boys and girls, how we solve this type of problem is we were given 4 out of our 9 counters. So we're going to take 4 away to see how many are left, and that will be the number that goes here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many counters are still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write up 5 in our missing add-in spot and then draw 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How we are going to check to make sure that we are right, add the 4 counters plus the 5 counters and make sure we get 9 as our sum or total. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we do so we know. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to share my computer screen one more time because I'm going to show you how to access your quiz. We have a math quiz today. So I'm going to share content, share. And I'm going to Canvas, sorry. Here we go. Okay, thank you for being patient. You go to Town Home Room. When you get to Town Home Room, you can click on Modules, which is underneath Home, or you can go to the picture of Miss Town sitting at the desk. When you go to Modules, it will have our first week here. You're going to scroll to the second week. We're on week 2, and you'll find the day of the week. Today is Thursday. Here you will see a math quiz. If you did not get to the math module yesterday, please do it before you take your math quiz. I am going to show you what the math quiz looks like. The math quiz looks like this. You have missing add-in. It's on missing add-in. So make sure that you take your time, you show your work, use a piece of paper to help you. And remember, if you don't do your best, you can always go back and retake a quiz. Okay, boys and girls, good luck. I will see you. If you were not able to attend our live meeting today, please watch the live ELA recording. Thank you.